I have been called out. I somewhat recently did a video about the Graco MyRide 65 car seat and how to clean it. Well, I've been schooled. I want to help you protect your children, and in teaching you how to clean your car seat, well, I did it without really thinking it through. So the truth of the matter is, one of the users on YouTube left me a comment this morning and said, "You're doing this wrong, never to do this." So I'm going to tell you what not to do to clean a car seat and tell you how to actually clean it. And this applies to really any car seat across the board, not just the Graco MyRide 65 car seat. So Alicia Lazama writes, "You should never use Clorox wipes or any other cleaning stain removing products on any part of a car seat. All car seat manuals give instructions for cleaning, and they should be followed to a T. Warm water and mild soap, such as Dawn dish soap, are all you can use. Anything else can weaken the materials, potentially causing the seat to fail at properly protecting your child in the event of a crash." Well, Alicia, thank you so much for leaving this comment. I guess I should have actually read the instruction manuals and the cleaning procedures for the car seat. This goes for all car seats. So I am here to correct that mistake and tell you guys what to do. For this particular car seat, Alicia is so very right. You are really only supposed to use mild dish soap, and we're talking about cleaning the frame of the car seat. The instruction manual here says that as far as cleaning like the padding of the car seat, to actually follow the instructions that come on the padding. So it's in here. It's in here. Why didn't I read the instruction manual? That was dumb. Do this to protect your children. Go, if you're going to clean your car seat, go to the instruction manual and find out what your instruction manual says for your particular car seat, because well, it can be dangerous otherwise. And I'm going to leave a big link there in that other video that says do not use Clorox wipes, and it's going to come straight to this video, and this video is telling you to use, like warm water and stuff. So if you watch that other video, I actually go through the process of telling you how to take that pad off, so you can follow that. Thank you again, Alicia, for leaving that comment, for setting me straight, so that we can help you guys protect your children, because we certainly don't want to affect the structural integrity of your car seat. I'm okay with, learning from you guys. Be sure to leave comments below if you have any additional things you want to add to this. So if this has been helpful to you and valuable to you, I'd consider hitting that subscribe button. We're going to keep it straight and keep it real here. If you'd like to see some of the other videos that we did regarding this car seat, check out one of these videos right over there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is right up there. And we will be getting back to you soon. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and we will see you next time.